to prepare for this training, number one, you have to be serious. And your seriousness determines on how you do the following. So these are the requirements you need for this training. Number one is you need a laptop because this is programming. So you need something that will help you type code. You need something that will help you execute the code. So you need a laptop. But nevertheless, if you don't have a laptop and you have a good mobile, you have a good smartphone, there are still some apps out there that you can use to write and execute code. But note that those apps have limitations. Most of them does not allow you to set up server. So maybe at the beginning stage you can use it for a start. But if you now want to move into advanced level or intermediate level where you have to start setting up server, then there is a need that you use a laptop. But laptop is the most desired because your teachers that is what they will be using. So throughout this training period, what your teachers will be using is a laptop. That is why we advise you guys to have a laptop. Number two, you need a strong internet access. This training is online training, but we're trying our best to make sure that you all get it right, you get the best. But for you to get the best, you need a strong internet access. You have to make sure you have a strong internet access. Most of the courses is going to be online and you'll be streaming them. Our duty is to guide you, is to make sure that you learn it very well. We are there to answer your questions. We are there to equally help you, guide you along the path. Just like the saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles can be a journey of few miles with the help of a mentor. So this is what we want to do for you guys, but you have to be prepared and make sure that all these things are there. Okay, then lastly, you have to always practice. There's a whole lot of practice. There's going to be a lot of assignments for you guys to do. So make sure that you practice them. Make sure that you do the assignment. In addition, in as much that there are some benefits you'll be getting, there are a lot of things that is going to be free for you. But practicing makes you perfect. Just like the saying goes, the more you practice, the more you're perfect. So there's going to be some exercise. Make sure you do them. If you're having any challenge, you can reach out to the teachers for them to assist you. Also, there is going to be some prize for the best student. So when we give a task, when we give an assignment, and some of those students that do it very well, there'll definitely be some benefits. There'll definitely be some things to use to some appraiser or some things to use to encourage you to do better. So these are the few things I want to let you know. So be prepared, and hopefully you guys are going to get the best. We have the best teachers here, and they're definitely going to deliver the best to you guys. Lastly, make sure you've created an account with the online learning platform. We call it CityLearn. So go to citylearn.net and create an account with online learning platform. The teachers are going to grant you access when the time reach. Take good care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.